Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, then to the phone ringtone, and here you can select one of these pre-installed ringtones. You can set it like to be none of the ringtones. You can add your own ringtone by selecting the audio file from the phone's memory here, but as you can see I have no ringtones here, only the preset ones, so let's just listen to some of them. I guess this one slaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.